It's Science Week and we are here to do some fun science experiments. My name is Mina Murray and I'm here with my very good friend
Dr. Abraham Van Helsing III.
and we have a science experiment that you can play along with at home. Do get your grown up.
Yes, this will definitely require a little bit of adult supervision, because it might get messy. Now, you will need 2 ingredients. Bicarbonate of soda, or baking powder, as it is sometimes known, and vinegar.
And all you do is you simply pour into the vinegar.
Oh, isn't that... Oh, that's quite fizzy. Well, I think the experiment is a smashing success. Oh, here we go. Oh. Well, on that explosive bombshell, we'll see you next time.
Goodbye.